Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Indeed, it's my great honor, privilege, and pride to introduce Galaxy of FIMA Fraternity. We have 133 overseas guests from 26 different countries. It is not possible for me to introduce all of them. I selected 41 distinguished representatives of different IMAs. Number 1 and the number 41 mean the first and the last of my list are very special, and the rest 39 are extra special, and those who are not included in my list are super special. So I start with our very dear brother, Professor Umar Hassan Kasule. Professor Kasule graduated from Makerere University, Uganda, did his master's and PhD from Harvard University, then worked there, and later on moved to Islamic International University of Malaysia in Kuantan for 10 years. He was Dean of Research and Postgraduate Studies. Then he moved to Brunei University, and currently he's working as faculty in King Fahd's Medical City, Riyadh. You are warm welcome here in Pakistan. We love you, dear brother, and wish that you come again and again to us. Our next guest is the president of FIMA. He is the ex-president of IMA of Malaysia, professor of internal medicine, Professor Dr. Abdul Rashid bin Abdul Rehman. Now I will request all the guests, when I call them, I take the name, please stand on the seats. Our next guest is Datu Professor Dr. Musa bin Muhammad Noordin. On your right side. He is the ex-president of FIMA. He is currently the chairman of the advisory council of FIMA. He is activist in Viva Palestine. He is the Lifetime Achievement Award recipient of FIMA, Dr. Musa Noordin. Thank you for coming, dear brother. Our next brother is Jeffrey Abu Hassan, the ex-president of IMA of Malaysia. Jeffrey. Then is the Dr. Ishaq Masood. Probably he is busy in ISC conference. Is he present here? No. He is busy in Best Western with the ISC conference. Ishaq Masood is the chairman of Islamic Hospital Consortium. Next is Dr. Muhammad Yusri Musa, the president of IMA of Malaysia. Yusri Musa, on your back. Then our dear sister, Siti Aisha Ismail from Indonesia. Then Dr. Ika Genjar, he is the General Secretary of FIMA. Dr. Ika, on your left side. Professor Iwang Yusuf, Chairman SIMCO. Professor Iwang Yusuf from Indonesia. He is the chairman of Consortium of Islamic Medical Colleges. Iman Parmana from IMA Indonesia. Thank you. Now, a veteran of FIMA, founder of IMA of South Africa, our very dear brother. Love to see him. Professor Muhammad Khan, please. Next to him is sitting Dr. Ghulam Hussain. He is the ex-president of FIMA, founder of FIMA, and the Lifetime Achievement Award recipient. The Professor Khan is also Lifetime Achievement Award recipient. Thank you. Dr. Shakira Qasim, IMA of South Africa. Thank you, sister, for coming from Durban. Dr. Ibrahim Khan, IMA South Africa. Ibrahim. Dr. Ibrahim Oregba, President of IMA of Nigeria. Can I see him? Next is Dr. Abdul Rashid Nasir, IMA of Nigeria. Professor Majid Kajimo, President of IMA of Uganda. He is the activist for prevention of AIDS in Africa. He is rather leader in this area. Dr. Taha Ayub, IMA of Uganda, a young man. Dr. Mugaba Abu Qasim, IMA of Uganda. Then is our Vice President of FIMA, President of IMAXA, Dr. Riyad Mehdi Abu Sulaiman from Saudi Arabia. He is a pediatric cardiologist. Can I see him? Yes, on my right. Thank you. Dr. Sharjan Kalim, IMF Philippines. Sharjan Kalim. Dr. Muhammad Ehsan Karaman is not in the hall at the moment because he is slightly ill. He is in the hotel. He is the ex-president of FIMA, president of Hayat, founder of Hayat Foundation, Turkey. Next is our sister from UK, Sister Rehana Sadiq. Probably she is also busy in IAC conference. Is he available here? No. Then our dear brother, when I see him, I really remind Brother Ali Mishal and also Brother Ali Al-Wamdi Al-Marhum, Dr. Ammar Abu Subu from Islamic Hospital, Jordan. Then is Dr. Ammar K. Daoud from Jordan. Thank you, dear. From the land of our dear brother Ali Mishal. We miss him a lot, really. And Ali Al-Wamdi. Then Dr. Anayatullah Khokhar, IMA of Australia. Thank you, sir. Dr. Muhammad Afzal Kahalu, President IMA Australia from Canberra. Thank you. Dr. Muhammad Abdi Rahman from Somaliland. Dr. Adam Ahmed Dahir from Somaliland. Thank you. Dr. Abdi Razak Yusuf from Somaliland. He is the president of IMA of Somaliland. Professor Dr. Ainle Suleiman Ahmed, who is the Dean of University of Hargeisa, Somaliland. Professor Ainle. Oh, thank you. Dr. Mahmoud Ahmed Mahmoud Shine is the chair of Manhal Charity Hospital, available here. Dr. Shine, he is the lead person for FIMA Safe Vision in Somalia. And we conducted this program of DO and MS with the help of Rifar University and University of Hargeisa, Somaliland. And till now, 24 eye surgeons has graduated from this program. Thank you, Brother Shine, for coming to Pakistan. Dr. Noura Abdikari Sadiq from Ghana. Oh, thank you. Welcome. Our dear brother, who is living in Turkey, exiled from Egypt, Dr. Ahmed Fatih Mohammed from Medics Worldwide. Thank you. Sayyid Khalid Rashid, ex-president of IMA of Afghanistan. Dr. Alanur Samin, IMA Afghanistan. Dr. Sayyid Abdullah Sayyadzadeh, IMA of Afghanistan. Dr. Amina Guled from Kenya. Dr. Amina Guled. Can I see her? Okay. Dr. Anisa Abdullah Bagzal from Kenya. Thank you. The last one, as I told you earlier, a very special person. And when I call him, I would request all of you to stand because we want to convey a strong message to Palestine. The people of Palestine, the Pakistani people love them. So our brother from Jerusalem, Dr. Amin Salim Sanukrat. We love the people of Palestine. And we are waiting for the freedom, inshallah. Can I see Dr. Salim Sanukrat? Thank you for coming. Jazakallah khair.